to a new unboxing video. In today's video, we will unbox my new pair of headphones. As you can see, they are new. I have not opened them. I have not. These earring, they are the right here it says it's this. It says I can't read it, but don't worry, we will open it. But first, I will tell you to follow my Instagram right here. Follow my Twitter, my Facebook, and most of all, subscribe. Because if you don't subscribe, you will turn into this box, and then you probably will know. But yes, will do. So let's start. Let's open this part first. Let's see. Sure, we will do. So let's see. Where is that? Oh yes, right there. Don't worry. This is already. I already done this before. I done this before in the video where it's called the Buzzlebee. I unboxed my new toy for Christmas. I'll link that video in the description. So, sure. But there we go. We ripped that piece off. And now we must break these parts. So let's start breaking that part. You can probably see because I zoomed in. And you can see that it's really hard. Okay, there we go. We broke it. Okay, there we go. We pulled it. And here, let's take this off. Oh, yes, it looks spicy. Look at this prettiness. I'll let you stare at it for a bit so you can get a little bit jealous. As you've seen, this is my epic thing you can see. It's right here. So I think we're going to take it apart right now. Let's see. Oh, hi, doggo. Well, oh my god, they're really spongy. I'm touching them. You can probably see since it's really spongy. But let's check out other things that this thing has. So first thing is this, which we can put it here so that lights. And most of all, cow. Think you must do this? Yes, you do. There we go. And we should take this apart now. Okay, it's right here. Take off. Open! Okay, we opened it now. There it is. Observe it. Here are the cables and that, whatever that is. And we can use that for another video. Okay, this is the most important thing. As you see, this is a poison for cows. And for wet things, do not eat, because this says clearly do not eat. But who would eat that? We continue, and as I was saying, here are they. Let's take this off. Let's take this off. There we go. Maybe I must do it the other way. Okay, I already took it off. Now, you can see that they're apart. Let me put them on. I literally can't even hear my voice right now. So I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, let's put this off. Let me zoom in. There. Okay, pretty epic. Now I can hear once again. But now let's take this off. Take. Oh my god, they're pretty. Oh my god, I'm ready. Okay, here they are. Oh my god, I'll take a picture and post it on Instagram. Follow me, by the way. And now that we have them, let's put this apart. And let's bring the other set. This is the micro setup for the microphone. So let's take it off. Want to see a magic trick? You will see it. There! Oh my god, you saw again that it worked. So this must, I'm not sure what is this, but we'll check. Okay, so I think, no, what is this? Are you supposed to put it here, something? I don't know. Oh wait, there was another cable. I am so sorry. Not sure what to do with this. Oh, what? I'm not sure. I think I must watch a YouTube video to see how to do this, but what? It has two strings and this, I don't understand. Maybe I'm supposed to do something with my phones. It doesn't even have a hole. Sorry, but I must end the video here because I don't know what to do and this is weird and stuff. So I think the box, where is the box? Here is the box and I think it says, so the box says that it comes with two and it says, oh wait, it doesn't come with a microphone, huh? Oh yeah, that's why. What? I am really confused. The box says that it's... Oh, that's the microphone. Oh, this is the microphone then. Oh, okay. I got it. This is the microphone, yes. This is the microphone. Here's where you talk. Oh, okay, so that's what happened, okay. And now here, I think there has to be another hole where, wait, says that. There's two. What? There's another one. Do you connect this here? I think you do. What? Guys, I am really confused. The microphone, I do know, but it doesn't like stick or anything. So I guess you can put it on top here or something. Oh wait, I found something. I think I found, yes, okay, yes. Alright, oh yes, there we go. I put the microphone in. I'm not sure if it's this way. No, it's not this way. I think it's that way. No. That way then. It's that way? Oh wait, it must be this way. Oh yeah, there we go. That is... Okay, there we go then. What? Okay. So there we go, I already put it there. Let me put it on so I can see. Yes, I can see my microphone. I can talk close, talk far. Really epic actually. And let me know in the comments if you like this. Wait, I'm still not done since this has another part on it. And I'm really confused where it goes. So I'm not really sure if I must put it in a hole or something, or or this, but I'm not sure, so let me see if you guys know what is this string for. Let me just see it. I still don't know what is this for. This is so I can put it on my computer. Okay, so I think I'll load up my computer and post a video on Instagram right now or something. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you can, leave a like. If you can as well, subscribe. But most of all, make sure to what is it called? Oh yeah, to sponsor, no. Oh yes, to support my epic series called Grease Spit. Last episode, I got a lot of people that helped me build that series, which now I'm going to launch episode 2 next week. So go and check out for that. But most of all, I must say bye. And after of that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye, my stuff.